me get over it. Somebody help me.
How's it? Evan Garces here, Maui real estate agent. Today we are going to do a deep dive into Kamani at Kehalani in Wailuku, and honestly, this is one of those communities that just gets it right. It's become super popular for good reason. We're fortunate enough to get the green light from one of the owners we know personally. They are letting us into their home to take a look at what a home here looks like. But before that, let's dive into some details. This whole development was built by Town Development from 2016 to 2019. There are 138 townhomes spread out over about 17 acres on this very nice hillside location. What's cool is they have 3 different floor plans: the Ho'okipa, the Mauloa, and the Laulea, all around 1,400 to 1,500 square feet. Every home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths or 2.5 baths, your own private yard, and a 2-car garage. The location here is really what makes it special. You've got these beautiful West Maui mountain views and also ocean views for many of the units. Some units will have better ocean views than others. You also get those nice Maui trade winds coming through, so it's not hot and stuffy like some places can be. Being on the mountainside really makes a big difference. Now, let's talk about convenience. You're literally 10 to 15 minutes from everything: Costco, Target, the airport, beaches, and you also have access to Foodland, Coffee Bean and Tea, Starbucks, Jamba, and CVS about 2 to 5 minutes away. The community itself is pretty chill. It's pet friendly, they got walking trails and green spaces. They didn't go crazy with amenities, which honestly I think is smart, keeps the fees reasonable, and focuses on what matters, which is just good neighbors and a nice place to live. Speaking of fees, HOA fees were somewhere around $300 a month previous to the Lahaina fires. But since these are technically considered condos, they have a master insurance policy. And after the fires, the cost of the insurance has gone up significantly. So the fees are now just over $600 a month, plus about $90 for the Kehalani Master Association. Oh, and just so you know, this isn't zoned for vacation rentals, so it's all full-time residents, which really creates a nice community feel. Now, here's the thing. We don't have anything listed in Kamani right now. The one listing we had is already pended, but if you're interested in this community, definitely reach out to us. We've done a ton of deals here and know a lot of the owners personally. When something comes up, and things do come up, we usually hear about it first. This place really represents what people are looking for in a home on Maui. Modern homes, great location, and that real sense of community that's getting harder to find. So here we are at one of the units at Kamani at Kehalani. Thank you very much to the homeowners who allowed us to take a tour inside today, one of the units. This specific model is the Ho'okipa model. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Downstairs, all you have is the entryway and you have a garage. Then there's a stairs that takes you up, and upstairs is everything. You got the kitchen, the living room, the 3 bedrooms and a 2 bath are all upstairs. What I like about this unit specifically, and pretty much every unit on this row, is it has an amazing view of Haleakala as well as the Pacific Ocean. If you're interested in buying a unit in Kamani at Kehalani, don't hesitate to reach out. We have done a lot of deals in Kamani at Kehalani, and we're in contact with a lot of the owners, so we may be able to connect you with a possible seller if you're interested in this neighborhood. But anyways, let's go ahead, take a look at this Ho'okipa model. Again, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Let's take a look. We're coming to the end of our tour here. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Maui property videos. I'm going to put my contact info up on the screen. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll see you on the next video.